Hi, Tiger. Hi, Tiger. Mukhang magle-labor na siya, oh. Yan yung guys, oh. Malaki na yung tiyan niya kasi, oh. Mukhang ngayong gabi na manganganak. Today is May 16. Yan, so walang tulugan siguro to ngayon. Ay kagagaling ko lang ngayon ng makina Moto Changi sa SM Pampanga. We have 3 kittens na malulusog. Super duper healthy. No. That's her mom, Tiger. Okay, and 2 whites and 1 her look-alike. Yan. Basics. Figures, babies, basics. So healthy. 9 days old. Ito si Junior or Juniora, kahawig kasi ni Tiger. Tigers look alike. Yan. Yan. Nagagalit na si Tiger. Bye-bye. Ayan na, oh. Ito ka look alike nyo. Ayan. 9 days old. Ang tatay si Lily. So, dahil may white na kami, ang pangalan niya ngayon is Lilo. Lailong Baliw! Ito ang pinakabunso nila. Okay. Akala ko pure white siya, pero may kulay itim siya dito. Yan, nung pinanganak. So, ang pangalan niya is Spot. Yan. Spot or Spatter. Yan. Spot the difference. Okay, bye-bye. Spot, 17 days old. Yan. No, Juniora. 20 days. Lilo. Oh. Yan dito, Lilo. Lilo. Yeah. Yan. Lilo. 22 days. Lilo. Kawig ni Lily. Okay. 22 days old. 24 days old. Lilo and Spot. Alright, 25 days old. Persian. My Persian kitten. Hello, Juniora. She can see now. Juniora. Okay guys, 27 days old. Natong tatlong kitten. Hello, Juniora. Hello, Tiger. Juniora. Hindi mo na isto, bro. Grabe naman, 27 days old. Yan na, Juniora. Lilo? Lilo? Lilo, Lilo, Lilo. Hello, Lilo. Ito si Lilo. Lilo. Oh, cute. And Spot. Hello, Spot. Oh. Nice one, Juniora. Dun. Oh, naglalaro na. They're playing now. 27 days old. This is Spot, Lilo, and Juniora. Ten, ten, ten. Playing. Here comes the mother. Ten, ten, ten. Oh. Lilo. 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 Nice, Lilo. How days are you? Malapit na mag 1 month. No, Lilo. Lilo. Yun. Cute naman ang Persian. Yun oh, cute naman itong pusang to oh. 29 days old, Juniora. Maawaing maawain yung yung muka, yung face. Ang awain. No. Cute oh, Persian. Cute naman.